Hi, my name is Alicia, and today I'm going to be unboxing slash. It's not a review because what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna unbox everything that I have now, and then I'm gonna put 1 week reviews on each product that I feel like is worth a 1 week review, if that makes sense. I'm gonna vlog every week of one product and be like, yeah, you should get this, yeah, you should get that. But the brand, period, is I'm really, I hope I'm not butchering the brand, but it says here Mielle. So that's what it says there. It's probably reversed, but y'all get the picture. So so basically that's what I'm reviewing today. It's 2021, duh. But they had a Black Friday sale where everything on the website was $6. So I'm going to be showing the products, giving the original price, kind of a background of what I heard from the product, or what's on the bottle of the product. And that's as far as we're gonna get in this video. And then the next video, we're going to review one certain product, or a week span of one certain product. So I'm just gonna show you how big the box is first. So this is the box. This is me. This is the box. Anyways, let's get started with the first product. The first product is the pomegranate and honey moisturizing and detangling conditioner. Deeply hydrates and conditions and silky thick curly type for hair. It's a decent sized bottle, $6, and we're gonna go over the original price of this. The original price of this, if I'm not mistaken, when I go to the beauty supply store, because this is not the first time that I've used the products. When I go to the beauty supply store, something like this is like $11.99, but let me just make sure. For this one, I paid, I'm getting to it. I paid $6, but it's usually $9.99. Took me a while to find it out. I think either way it goes, these products are still of a deal, because you can't find any good products for natural hair for such a good prices. So that's our first product. That's the conditioner. I hope I said that and not shampoo. Okay, so following up with that, we have the conditioner again. I just be going crazy. I don't even be knowing what I be ordering. Anyways, we have the pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. Now, there's different lines within the company. So this is the pomegranate and honey line. Right now, I have the conditioner and leave-in conditioner right here. Follow up with that same line. I'm trying to find the exact product. There is the Mielle pomegranate and honey face mask. And when I said I was gonna do the 1 week reviews, I meant on these products, the face mask products, because you can see my hair is braided. I did this a week or two ago. I know it's not the freshest looking, but I'm not taking these out for a while, so I can't do no hair product reviews until I get these taken out. But I will be doing the hydrating face mask review for a week or whatever. It's probably sealed. Yeah, it's sealed, but it does come with a little thing that you could apply it with. So that's that. And this, I believe, is originally, I'm gonna get the right total for you. It is originally, let me go shopping, skincare. It's out of stock, so I got lucky. And it doesn't say the price. But I think when I was looking, it was $18.99. So got a good deal on that, because I paid $6. It was glass. Because I paid $6 for it. $6 for everything. So this is also a part of the line. The pomegranate and honey line. So yeah, and then to follow up again with this line is the pomegranate and honey face serum. So I guess you apply that. You apply this after you apply the face mask. So the face mask says to apply a nickel-sized amount and gently massage and leave on for 5 minutes, rinse with water. And this says apply 2 to 3 drops on your fingertips and massage to face in desired area. Assuming it's everyday use. Type of application is it? It's drops. Little dropper. Oh, that's pretty cool. I've never seen a dropper like that. That's so cute. I'll show you guys what I mean. So that's the dropper. Oops, I accidentally got some in my hand. I'm gonna put it on there. It feels good. It feels really good. Smells amazing. It smells like, it reminds me of something. I can't think of it right now. So right now, this is what I have from the pomegranate and honey line. So you got the face mask, face serum, leave-in conditioner. I got to find the shampoo somewhere in this. Yeah, the shampoo is buried somewhere in here. So hopefully that's all. Oh no, that's not all from that line. Oh, it's just another. Like I said, I went crazy. I ordered another face mask. And then I probably got another one of the face serums as well. I sure did. Okay, pomegranate face serum. Okay, moving on to the next line, because this is from the pomegranate and honey line. Okay, this is a pomegranate and honey line. So moving on from here, we're going to move on to the Babasu, I hope I'm saying that correctly, conditioning shampoo. The Babasu is a whole new line. It's a whole different design. This is reflective, this is not. This was also $6. And I'm also gonna just actually go back to putting a price on everything like I said I would. I don't know why I stopped. The collections. And then this is originally $9.99, so I got it for $6. So this is the Babasu line. Digging in this box. Digging in the box. Okay, found something else from the pomegranate and honey line. One thing I didn't really like about this packaging when it came is, it has a whole bunch of bubble wrap in it, which I get why, but bubble wrap is one of the most annoying things. Not bubble wrap, I don't know what it's called. So let me just get this stuff off of me. Okay. So this one behind my back. So the pomegranate and honey 2-in-1 face scrub and cleanser. That is also part of the pomegranate and honey collection. And this is originally, let me get you a price on that, $9.99. So $6. So moving on. Oh, I think I'm getting to the bottom of my box. I got another leave-in conditioner from the pomegranate and honey line. I loved this line. That's why I just bought everything basically from that pomegranate and honey. So I think I managed to get everything up out the box. Yeah. So that's the hard part. Okay. Okay, so I also got I got 2 of these. So $6, that's $12 right here. 6 of those. And that's the only thing from the Babasu line. Then I have the regular co-wash, detangling co-wash for all hair types. I got 2 of those. The original price on this is one second. The original price on this co-wash is, from what I can see, $11.99. So $6. Basically got it for half off. Moving on, I have the rosemary mint line, and this is what it looks like. So it says here, apply a dime size amount, massage your wet hair, repeat, and follow with the hair mask. So you're probably like, Alicia, did you get the hair mask? Of course I got the hair mask, but let me just tell you how much this is. This is the rosemary and mint. Strengthening shampoo is $9.99. Paid $6 for it. And like I said, of course I got the hair mask. This is a thick-sized hair mask. You don't get stuff this big. You don't get products. You don't get this much product for what you pay. I don't care what nobody says, especially for natural hair. So this I got for $6, like I said. Duh. It is originally, I just saw the price. It is originally $9.99. That is still a video. And then down to the last hair products that I got, or products period. I think this is the end of the haul. I got a rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. And this is priced at $9.99, used on your hair and your scalp. So I'm just going to go ahead and try this. It says features more than 30 essential oils. There's more than 30 essential oils in this one bottle. That is like amazing. Infused with biotin, and it can be used for daily hair care. Now, I personally don't recommend oiling your hair every single day. Your hair makes its own oil. So if you want to oil your hair like 2 days out of the week, sure. But like every day, I don't recommend that. Don't do that. You're clogging your pores. It's not helping you. So I'll definitely be trying everything out. But I have used this before, and I have used this before, and I absolutely love it. I never felt my hair more moisturized before I started using this brand. Like, this brand has honestly changed my entire natural hair journey. I've been natural my entire life, so like I haven't even like dealt with perms or anything. So I've always been trying to find that product for me, and I feel like I finally found something that's good. So I'm just gonna, insert a little video of what I got. And that's it. Thank you for watching. The sale is still going on, by the way, so I'll link their website down in the bio below. And hopefully you guys can go ahead and get some stuff for $6. Everything is $6. So there's no loss. I spent like over $100 one time. So I'll be reviewing these face masks like by a week, like 1 week of using Mielle's, or yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Mielle's. I'm sorry. I'm trying. Face mask for an entire week, and it'll be like, oh, what do I see different and whatnot. As you can see my face now, it looks crazy, and then I'll be like a week later. So definitely let me know what you want to see a review on, and I can put that right up. I'll be more than happy to, and I'll just be inserting the clip now. Bye. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all the goodies. Thank you.